This case is to build an automated production line for boom and boom welding for construction machinery customers. The system integrates robot handling, identification, welding, and MES reporting, and is compatible with 22 products to achieve stable automated operation. The project was carried out by AGR Group Structural Components Manufacturing subsidiary, and the end customer was the construction machinery factory of a world-renowned construction machinery company in China. The factory is responsible for localizing a large number of structural components for medium and large excavators. Customers want to use automated production lines to improve consistency in welding quality, reduce the risk of manual operation, and achieve automatic integration with their MES systems to meet global manufacturing standards. Full process automation, integration of industrial robots for precise welding and handling, along with automatic clamping fixtures and plate chain conveyor lines, enables efficient flow of boom buckets from incoming material to finished product. Intelligent perception system, visual positioning and sensors work together to monitor welding quality and process status in real time, ensuring operational accuracy and stability. Information closed loop, camera scanning automatically identifies product information, linked to MES system automatically reports work, making production data traceable and process controllable. Equipped with a visual operation interface, it supports one-click control and parameter adjustment, reducing operational complexity and improving response speed. Strong fixture compatibility, hydraulic fixture structure, reliable automatic locking, compatible with multiple specifications of boom and bucket rod. Full robot loading and unloading, welding, plate chain line conveying, no excessive human intervention throughout the process, saving labor costs.